Haga dorbar mang tingka jangka parlimen Ïeng dorbar thau ain lok sabha haga khadwei tarik ulber arjar persan Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon MP Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency nag Voice of the People Party VPP habayo yakalat panishim bintau la pentep akadorbar halor ga jingsha kni jubor ki chaka Khappud ka jala Meghalaya haga jala ba marjan ka ga jala Assam berkumjo hakari Bangladesh ulong baki basyong basa Khappud ki imrit mensiem naga jingsha berngem wat hadu penshim ya ga jing imru dak bakado baki shale don bor hadu kata ulong baki basyong ki jaka Khappud ki shakni ki marrab bat bon ki kendo Jingeh wat tang ban im nongsngi Dr. Kren halor ki Jingjia Mukroh West Giant Hills ke balamat ke Jingjia sha siat yap sangut ki bria ho naiweng arajar puar bat badang shen na ke election MDC sha Giant Hills Autonomous District Council GHDC ru ki sha pensange manle thabot
Gon.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would begin by saying that land is life. But what is life without land? Mr. Speaker, sir, through you, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned ministry and through this August House about the plight of my people who are living in the border with Assam and Bangladesh. Mr. Speaker, sir, for many years, my people living in the border have been facing persistent threat to their land and even to their life. Time and again, group of miscreants from neighboring Assam and neighboring Bangladesh have been intimidating and threatening the life of my people from time to time, and many times they have forcefully taken away their agricultural produce and even their household produce belonging to my people. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, through you, I would like to mention here that my people are living in constant fear, and many of them have lost their livelihood because their land have been encroached upon and their land have been forcefully taken away by these people. I am afraid, Mr. Speaker, sir, that at this very moment while I am speaking, I am quite sure that there are people like those living in a village called Mukroh in West Giant Hills, who recently, during the recent district council election, they have been, stopped not to even exercise their franchise. And this is a very serious matter, Mr. Speaker, sir. And these people are terribly in deep despair and living a life of hopelessness and a life which is full of uncertainty. I therefore strongly urge upon the government, both at the centre and also these two state governments, to take up this matter very seriously, Mr. Speaker, sir. And I'm sure that if there is a will, there is a way. And also, Mr. Speaker, sir, I always believe that nothing is impossible if we are sincere, if we are honest, and we have a sense of responsibility to the people whom we serve. Just want to remind us here that we are all here not to be served, but to serve. The people have put their faith and trust in us. And therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, I urge upon you, through you, to ensure that our people, my people, life are taken care of, that their life is secured. And also here, due to the problem across the border, especially in our neighboring country, Bangladesh. And therefore, I would urge upon you, Mr. Speaker, sir, that people living in the border, especially again at the Bangladesh border, that our forces who are supposed to man the border take utmost care to be on their toes to protect the life interests of our people. So with these few words, thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for this.
Thank you, Honourable Member. Thank you. Honourable Member Amra Ramji.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kashab plus F.
ka plus F
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat badaka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Kan nutrition bakam bha, ka jingim bakam bha, pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.